Hey there, my awesome friends. Have you ever thought, wow, I wish I could make super cool AI videos without spending hours or loads of money? Well, guess what? Today, I'm going to show you a free and super easy way to create mind blowing videos using just a text or image. So stay with me because this is going to be fun. Because today we'll explore a fantastic tool called Pigverse, which lets you create videos effortlessly, whether you want to generate 2D animations, Japanese anime style videos, or even something creative like clay animations. This tool has it all. And the best part, it's free to use every day with credits you get just by signing up. Oh, man. Okay, first we talk about what makes Pigverse awesome. So the first thing that make it awesome is multiple presets. You can choose from styles like anime, comic, cyberpunk, or even 3D animation. Want to try something unique? Go for clay animation or experimental effects. Second thing is effects library. This tool has viral presets like festive themes, superheroes, and even funny ideas. Imagine Santa Claus in a futuristic suit or a famous painting character doing something unexpected. And the third thing that makes it super awesome is customization. You can adjust the video quality from 540 pixel to 1080 pixel. You can also set frame transitions and decide video length that you want. Okay. Let's start our journey how you get started. Step 1 is sign up your account, simply. Head to the Google, search pigverse.ai and make a free account. You can also use my link, which I will give you in the description. After making an account, step 2 is prompt box magic. Now here, upload a picture or write a simple text prompt. For example, if you upload an image of a cute cat, you can use prompts like a playful kitten jumping in a meadow. If you prefer, swap it with a puppy for a fresh twist. Keep in mind that if you're short on credits, stick to older versions of the tool for lower resolutions. But if you want high quality output, use the latest version, but remember, it might cost extra credits. Now, let me show you how to use it. If you already have an image, you can upload it. And if you have no reference image, that's not a big issue. You just give a prompt and select the version and aspect ratio and hit on generate, right? For example, I enter a prompt, a cat in a stadium, and then hit on generate. Within a few seconds, my video is ready, which is really cool. Now, if you want, you can regenerate your video. Also, you can extend your video, upscale your video, and of course, you can download it. You can also regenerate these all videos that other people made. All I had to do was copy the prompt, make a few tweaks, and voila, a new video was ready in minutes. You can try this too. Just replace one character with another or adjust the background. It's that simple. A little problem you have to face on this website, which is a watermark in the free version, but don't worry. I already made a video that how to remove watermark on video. The link is in description. Go and check out. Or if you don't want to remove watermark, a little cropping or scaling can solve that easily. So if you've never tried Pigverse, now's the time. Experiment, explore, and let your creativity flow. Go ahead and make something amazing today. Thanks for sticking around. I hope this inspires you to start creating AI videos. Don't forget to subscribe to The Bit Next for more tips and tools to level up your content creation. Until next time, take care and happy creating.